Hi, my name is Robert Lindsay, and I'm the President and CEO of the National Council on Alcoholism and Drug Dependence. The National Council on Alcoholism and Drug Dependence and our national network of affiliates is dedicated to fighting our nation's #1 health problem, alcoholism and drug dependence, and its devastating consequences on individuals, families, and communities. Over 24 million people in the country are addicted to alcohol and other drugs. That's 1 in 10 people. Regrettably, only 10% of those who need help get it. The cost to all of us is over $416 billion a year in lost productivity, healthcare costs, and criminal justice costs. Even more importantly, over 140,000 people a year die because of alcohol or other drugs. That's over 340 people per day. But the good news is, because of NCADD's work and others, we now estimate that maybe 20 million individuals and family members are living life today in recovery. Recently, we had a phone call from my family who had said they called the National Council because Mom's alcoholism was killing her and destroying her family, and they had no idea where to turn. We referred them to a treatment center that helped Mom and helped their family. She was calling to say that Mom recently passed away, but she was 33 years in recovery, and her message was, "Thank you for giving us our mom back." The shame and stigma that is too often associated with alcoholism and drug dependence literally prevents millions of individuals and family members from seeking help. NCADD and our affiliates are dedicated to overcoming that stigma, because that stigma results in discrimination in terms of access to healthcare, access to housing, access to education. So we believe overcoming that stigma, overcoming that discrimination is core to our mission and to our work. We have literally changed the landscape and the way that the public looks at and responds to alcoholism and drug dependence. The real strength of the National Council on Alcoholism and Drug Dependence is our national network of affiliates. Education programs, prevention programs, information and referral resources, training, recovery support, all are central to our mission and work. Alcoholism and drug dependence affects all of us, both directly and indirectly. And as a result, we all bear some responsibility to do something about it. There are many ways that individuals and families and others can get engaged in this solution and help NCADD and our affiliates. You can be a volunteer, you can be a board member, you can be a donor. We all need to be engaged in the solution. We need your help, we need your support.